Hi kids, how are you doing today? Once again we are back. We're at your own learning platform, Learn Forward, with your new Pitara book, English. So, today we'll do chapter number 6. आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? Chapter number 6. Sounds of A. आज हम vowel A की sounds को थोड़ा सा read out करेंगे. Okay? चलिए, chapter number 6, sounds of vowel A and page number 1111. So, let's start. हम रीडिंग करना स्टार्ट करें. ठीक है? ओके. We have a ball. A ball. 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 A ball. We have a wall. W-A-L-L. Wall. We have next hall. A hall. H-A-L-L. Hall. Next we have a mask. 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 M-A-S-K. Mask. Next we have a cart. Cart. A cart. C-A-R-T. Cart. Next we have a happy to you wala cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. A cake. Next we have a gate. G-A-T-E. Gate. Next we have a lake. Lake. L-A-K-E. Lake. A lake. Okay. Let's repeat once again. A ball. A wall. A hall. A mask. Very good. A cart. A cake. A gate. Very good. A lake. Chaliye, clapping. Very good, kids. Chaliye, we have more words. Let's read. Okay, start. Ball. Hall. Tall. Call. Fall. Cake. Lake. Bake. Make. Take. Gate. Mask. Race. Cart. Hand. Back. Pack. Black. Clap. Band. Very good. So these all are A sounds. ये कौन सी sound है हमारी? A. Vowel A sound के words. Let's do exercise. हम एक exercise करते हैं. चलिए. Match the words that sound same. Rhyming words. Rhyming words मतलब जो same होते हैं बोलने में. For example, ball hall, tall call, cake lake, bake make, okay, backpack. तो these are same. बोलने में same लगते हैं. उन्हें बोलते हैं rhyming words. So first we have ball, ball. First we have wall, ball. Okay. Next we have. Next क्या है हमारे पास? Next we have a. Let me take a pencil. आप भी ले लीजिए हैंडू में. Bake. Next we have bake cake. Bake के साथ केक जा रहा है ना? Very good. Next we have hat mat. Last but not least far car. तो बोलने में सेम है rhyming words. So done. Very good. चलिए. Okay, done with this chapter. We'll meet in next chapter. तब तक के लिए happy learning. Bye bye kids.